love her because she lives in grand shame. Another does it because poverty does her in. One has an old husband and is a young thing still. Another is great and has a little lad in a spin. One has no overcoat of dark cloth on the sill. Another has two and does the same and will. Near to war is he who has it in his own ground, but nearer still he who has it in his pillows round. When a husband to his wife does grief and wrong, that is a war worse than a neighbor's life long. For I know one such that if she were past a lady's gate, has no wife, nor kinsman, nor cousin for her mate, who would ever say may God send him there to a straight. But when he goes the angriest one laughs early and late. If a poor man has stolen a single sheet and fled, he is a thief, they cry, and he walks with bowed head. And if a rich man has stolen a whole market's worth, indeed he walks upright in the court of Constantine free. And if a poor man has stolen a single ribbon's thread, he will hang by the one who stole a horse in his stead. This justice is straighter than an arrow's flight. Let the thief hang the wretched thief in right. A great feast a man makes, but he does not keep it well. Who steals oxen and there kills sheep, I tell. For I know one such who filled his cauldron full that fell there at Christmas, but I will not say who or his name spelled. That is meat that can never be clean and meat, disloyal flesh that the law cannot greet. He has less sense than an infant at the tea, who thinks to honor Christmas tide